Past simple is for finished actions in the past. Use V2 in positive sentences. After did or didn't, use V1, not V2. Example: she visited Paris. Past simple is used for finished actions in the past. We also use it for specific times, stories, and past habits. For example, she bought a new phone yesterday. When I was young, I played guitar every day. Past continuous describes an action in progress in the past. Use was or were plus verb ing. It can show two actions happening at the same time. Example: I was studying at 9 o'clock. She was reading while I was watching TV. Past continuous is used for actions in progress in the past. It can describe two actions happening at the same time, or a background action in a story. Use was or were plus verb ing. Example: I was studying at 9 o'clock. Past perfect describes an action completed before another action in the past. Use had plus the past participle. The first action happened earlier. Example: I had finished my homework before my mom came home. Past perfect is used for an action that happened before another action in the past. It can describe past experiences, causes, and story events. Use it to show which action happened first. Example: she had never visited Rome before 2020. Past perfect continuous describes an action that continued before another past action. Use had been plus verb ing. It shows duration in the past. Example: I had been studying for 3 hours before my brother came home. Past perfect continuous describes an action that continued before another past action. We use it to show duration, past results, and background actions. Use had been plus verb ing. Example: she had been waiting for 40 minutes before the bus arrived. This tense focuses on actions that continued over time. Practice time. Choose the correct option: past simple or past continuous. Think carefully and pick the right answer. Common mistake alert. Use the correct verb form. After did, use base verb. After had, use past participle.